going to be talking about chapter 6. Chapter 6 we talked about FOIL and how to solve it and how to work on it. But first we're going to talk about this problem here, which is to multiply a monomial and polynomial using the distribute property. And this example is 3x and with the parentheses 2x plus 4 equals 3x, open parentheses 2x plus 3x with open parentheses 4 close parentheses. So beneath it is 3x, which is gonna stay the same. 2x with the parentheses equals 6x to the power of 2 and equals, which is the bottom one for the first one, is 3x, open parentheses 4, close parentheses, equals 12x. And we're just gonna combine the 6x to the power of 2 plus 12x, which that's our answer. And now we're gonna talk about FOIL. FOIL is basically first, outer, inner, and last. And here I wrote an example, which is x plus 3, close parentheses, open parentheses, x plus 4. And this is what we mean by the first, last, inner, outer. Here, as you can see, I drew the x and x. This is going to be our first, and then 3 and 4 is going to be our last, and then over here 3 and x is going to be our inner, and x and 4 is going to be our outer. So to write it down, this is kind of an example on how to write it, like how to separate it, but to do it, so first it's going to be x times x equals x to the power of 2. The outer is going to be x times 4 equals 4x. The inner is going to be 3 times x equals 3x. And last is going to be 3 times 4 equals 12. Now we're going to combine all these terms here, like I circled, and it's going to be x over 2 plus 4, x plus 3, x plus 12. Now right here where we have the two x's, we're going to combine them. Basically, we're going to add them, and it's going to come out to 7x. So x to the power of 2 plus 7x plus 12, and that's going to be our answer. I highlighted in pink. FOIL can be used to multiply two binomials. This method came from the distributive property. And over here is basically kind of like multiply each term in the second polynomial by each term in the first polynomial, then combine like terms. So basically for this example is 3x plus 4 parentheses and then open parentheses 2x plus 5 close parentheses. We're going to use the same thing. So we're going to multiply 3x plus 2x equals 6x over 2. To the power of 2. And then 3x times 5 equals 15x. 4 times 2x equals 8x. And 4 times 5 equals 20. We're going to once again combine all the terms, and we're going to put 6x to the power 2 plus 15x plus 8x. And we're going to add that, which is our total of 23x plus 20, and we're going to drop that down, and this gives us our answer highlighted in pink, and I drew it in our FOIL method. And this is what we talked about chapter 6. Thank you.